Welcome back, my students, in this video. Dear student, be professional in math. This video is of interest to all students because it contains important rules in mathematics that all students need, and lack of knowledge of these rules leads to many errors in mathematics. So, the title of this video, Be Professional in Math. Let's go to the first rule. Number 1. Terms. How can we add, subtract, multiply, or divide terms? Operations of terms. First, you must know that terms divided to like terms and unlike terms. Okay? Like terms such that x, 2x, y, 3y, and so on. Unlike terms such that x and y, x power 2 and x power 3. Okay? First, like terms. How can we add like terms? X plus x equals 2x. Okay? Another example. 2x plus 8x equals 10x. Again, 2x plus 8x equals 10x. So, when we add like terms, we add the coefficients of these terms. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Okay? And also we can subtract by the same method, such that 9y minus 7y equals 2y. Very good. How can we multiply like terms? Pay attention. When we multiply like terms, x multiplied by x equals x power 2. Very good. Why? Because when we multiply x by x, we add the two powers of these terms, because the power of x 1 and here 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? How can we divide x by x? X divided by x equals 1, because x divided itself equals 1. Okay? Now, let's go to unlike terms. Unlike terms such that x and y. How can we add x and y? X plus y. This form is the simplest form. This form, x plus y, is the simplest form. We can't do anything more. Also, x minus y, this form is the simplest form. We can't do anything more. After that, multiply. X multiply by y equals xy. X multiply by y equals xy. X divided by y equal x over y. Okay? Now, we have explained the operations on terms, like terms and unlike terms. Let's go to the second rule. Second rule. If we have fraction 1 over 2 over 3, sometimes we meet this fraction 1 over 2 over 3. How can we simplify this fraction? Note that the denominator of this fraction is a fraction. So this fraction is equal 3 over 2. Why? Because this rule says to you the denominator of the denominator is numerator. Again, the denominator of denominator is a numerator. Okay? Another example. 5 over 4 by 3 equals what? Very good. 5 multiplied by 3 by 4, because the denominator of denominator is numerator, equals 15 over 4. Okay? Let's go to the third rule. How can we add fractions with different denominators, such that 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 by simplest method? By simplest method, number 1, multiply the two denominators. 2 by 3 equals 6. Then do the multiply 1 by 2 and 3 by 1, cross multiplication. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 times 3 equals 3. So the result equals 5 over 6. Okay. Another example. 7 over 9 plus 2 over 5. Number 1, multiply 9 by 5 equals 45. Then do the cross multiplication. 9 times 2 equals 18, plus 5 times 7 equals 35. Now we can write the same denominator, and 5 plus 8, 13, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then the result 53 by 45. Okay? But if you have this fraction, we can find the result by simplest method. 2 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 3. So now we can write the same denominators. The first fraction became 1 multiplied 3 over 6, and the second fraction 1 over 6 equals 4 over 6, and equals by simplest form 2 over 3. Okay. Now let's go to the fourth rule. Number 4. X plus y all power 2. What is the result of this base? Equals x power 2 plus 2xy plus y power 2. To understand this base, we can write that x plus y all power 2 equals the first term power 2, and the last plus the second term power 2. The middle term plus or minus according the sign. Here plus, write plus. 2 multiply first, multiply second. Okay, again, first power 2 plus 2 multiply first multiply second plus second power 2. Another example, find y plus 5 whole power 2 equals the first y power 2 plus 2 multiply y equals 2y multiply 5 10y plus second power 2 25. Okay, now let's go to the fifth rule, number 5, the conjugate numbers. X plus y times x minus y equals x power 2 minus y power 2. Why? Because this rule says to you, if we multiply two conjugate numbers, conjugate means same terms but different sign. X, y, x, y, but here plus and here minus. How can we multiply the two brackets? The first power 2, first term power 2, x, minus second term power 2, y. Another example, find x plus 9 times x minus 9. We can write x power 2 minus 9 power 2 equals 81. Another one, find z minus 5 times z plus 5 equals z power 2 minus 25. Very good. Now let's go to the last rule. Rule number 6, distribution probability. 2 multiplied by x plus y. Now we can distribute the number 2 by all terms in the bracket. So we multiply 2 times x, 2x, the same sign plus 2 multiply y equals 2y. Another example, 5x by x minus 2y. How can we find the result of this expression? We distribute the this term 5x by the two terms in the bracket. First multiply 5x by the first term x. 5x times x equals 5x power 2. The same sign minus. Then also multiply 5x by the second term. 5 times 2 equals 10. X times y equals x, y. Okay. Now we have finished these rules. I hope that you interest of this video. Bye bye, and see you in a new video.